Tuscany is actually that place. You see all those pictures, and it actually is like that. You ride through those curvy roads, you're surrounded by all those trees. You are in the picture. It's Italy, so the taste is just get to your mouth. Cinghiali, which is this wild boar meat, or you can go for pici pasta, and then you go and taste the pecorino cheese. Food in Tuscany, it is incredible. The wine, of course. If you're going to Tuscany, the wine, it is part of the experience. The authenticity is still in there, like small houses, maybe a little square or a little road which ends up with a view. There's like something really characteristic in Tuscany.